People, one of them there, yeah, me I go come and go no one story time when me come in at the country here. And it's something them will take me. Because some people see you now, them see your glory, but them don't know your story. So when people are trying to bring you down and you come through some battlefield, them don't understand. So sometimes when some people are going with themselves, not pay them no mind. Because they don't know you.
Fast forward inside the hospital. If you don't know me, you know say me stress out right now. Anxiety a kill me. Me not like hospital business. The receptionist say, go round so and go sit down and wait for the x-ray. Them I go call you. Me say yes. Now me come round here. Me not even remember which section they said for go sit down. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So hi guys, welcome back to Alicia's Live, otherwise known as AKA Lisa with the Love Heart. Today me I got my GP. Cause Sunday, me in my house and me I walk, me I feel pain from what here anyway in my right foot. They must say arthritis, cause you know old age there for me. Yeah, but me still look good. I'm okay, thank you. Yeah, somehow a young girl can't beat me. Can't beat out and done out. But anyway, the pain in my foot and me and the pain in our work. Me not do well with pain, me love. If you don't know me love cry. So I call my GP. Can you see England? Them not like see you. You know what they like though? Ask a question. The man I go ask me for arthritis me have. Or if he ask me for arthritis me have, me a doctor. So people, I just come from the GP with my knee. So they refer me to get an x-ray at the hospital. So I'm walking, you know. Still I do like an exercise for it. But me I show you which part me I walk. Where your son name? Tanner Street. Bermondsey Street. This is Bermondsey Street, guys. Very busy. So let's go. Come along with me on Bermondsey Street in London. Yeah, things are going on. Settings nice. People are eating them fancy out here. And people are going with themselves. Them have Bermondsey Square Jazz Day. So, like a jazz festival business. Like a pastry over here. You say you're too fast. One of your apartment, good girl. Nice little store here. Give him store. A charity store, you know? I can walk up here. Let me walk up here. So I got a GP. And I tell the woman what I feel in my knee. Straight away she refer me and said go and go have it scan. So I go x-ray it. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. This is the UK. And if something wrong with you, go check it out. You think I go feel pain and not talk about it and then suffer in silence? Me not suffer in silence. Then give me some strong painkiller. What is the festival? Not today. The first of every Sunday of the month is a jazz festival. So this Sunday they're gonna have a little jazz festival at Bermondsey Square. I might go so I can see what it's like. Yeah? You understand? So I go over there hospital now and then stop by my workplace because I'm close by. So this is Dino, my son, primary school. I remember these days where me used to stand here and watch him. Yeah. Now I'm a big man. Time and things change. The weather changed too. Thank you for joining my life. Tap, tap, tap. Thank you guys. Yeah. Dina school. So when I reach, I went in my door. I meditate. Meditate, the man, I meditate. Meditation. Meditation, people. I'll tell you, see. We body, we're not nothing, you know. We're just flesh. And one day everybody gonna have to go. So, he said for the time when we wanna die upon this earth, wanna live good. Treat people good. Stay happy. Take care of yourself. And do anything will make you happy. Do not let people come in our life and make you feel uncomfortable or go on like they want to rule you. And that goes for man and woman. And I say not no bad. I serious something me I talk. Me I go down memory lane. Me in my little white dress and my bag. Then give me one lip of painkiller for the foot. But I prefer it, I want it scan. So people, you see around here, so I talk about it. I feel comfortable to talk about it. Because again, this is my experience.
You know, so me can definitely write a story about my life living in the UK. And because of my experience, I learned to be so thankful and grateful. I used to sign on with the immigration office with my son. Yes, people, me been there, done that. And I am thankful and grateful that God has opened doors for me that man think that they can shut and no longer sign on.
This place used to call Beckett House where you sign on. Yeah? Immigration, you sign on here so. But it seems like them change it up. Them say me can't walk up this. So they lick down the immigration office. It was here, Beckett House, no longer. People, new building there, so. New building, my love. No more Beckett House. No more immigration office over there, so. I just said it used to that. Where I was one of those persons that used to come here, so and sign on. Yeah, when we come in other country, be a problem. Hey, the struggle was real. So, and that's my truth, guys. This was the immigration office, not anymore. So it seems like, say, people have to go to the. It's nice. Look like, say, people have to go at the main office now. No more immigration officer. Wanna see it? Anyway, I'm heading by Guy's Hospital, and then I will go by my workplace. Yeah man, I don't feel lick it down. Do something constructive. You start go there, so go sign on for Monday. One of them day I'm going to go to story time with me in other country. You think a little bit I go through it. So that's the shard. Yeah, I cried now. People now sign on here, so no more crying. People, one of them there, yeah, me I go come and go to a story time when me come in other country here. And it's something them will take me. Because some people see you now, them see your glory, but them don't know your story. So when people are trying to bring you down and you come through some battlefield, them not understand. So sometimes when some people are going with themselves, not get no mind. Because they don't know you.
I don't know, so I don't like hospital. So me in a waiting room now. I wait for the people them for come and call me to get me X-ray done. Stress will kill me. But anyway, guys, I see that you're watching my video. But please remember to like, share, comment. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.